Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to show you how to replace the top case and bottom case. And I will also teach you how to put the seal into the box. So this one's a SV1270, the most popular item SAVOX have. So you can have, here is a spare parts for the top case and bottom case. I will show you how to replace them. Here's a bottom case. Here's a top case. So here is the top case and bottom case. It's also include two seal in here. I will teach you how to replace the top case. So first, we need to insert the seal. Then close the top case. For the bottom case, you also insert the seal first. Okay, the spare parts including the seal, but it's only on the bottom case. The top case one is already installed in the gear holder. So you just replace the top case and replace the bottom case with the seal. It's enough. Thank you.